Let x and y be discrete random variables with joint probability function given below. Calculate the variance of x. So the thing to note here is that x goes from 0 to 5 and y goes from 0 to x. So the way this can be understood is that y starts at 0 but stays less than or equal to x because y has its maximum value as x. So y never becomes greater than x. So therefore, this one is defined only for those xy pairs where y is less than or equal to x and x goes from 0 to 5. So with this in mind, we look at the explanation. So since we have to find the variance of y, so we need the marginal probability of y. So that's equal to the summation of the joint probability over x. So remember, to get the marginal of any, you eliminate the other one by taking either the summation or the integral over that. So y takes integer values less than or equal to x, as we just said. And so we start by calculating the possible values of the fy for different y values. So the minimum that y can be is 0. And then x could be 0, x could be 1. Remember, x has to be greater than or equal to y, since y is less than or equal to x, and x goes all the way from 0 to 5. So basically 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0. And the function was 1 over 21 for every pair. So it means that for each of these 6 pairs, it's going to be 1 over 21. So it means be 6 times 1 over 21, that is 6 over 21. Similarly, when we calculate fy at 1, that would be p of 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, because we take all x values that are bigger than or equal to 1. And now we have 5 pairs, so this would sum to 5 over 21. Similarly, fy2 would sum to 4 over 21, fy3, 3 over 21, fy4, 2 over 21, and fy5 is 1 over 21. And now we have E of y would be the summation of y fy, and that comes out to be 0 times 6 over 21, yeah, 0 times 6 over 21 plus 1 times 5 over 21, and so on, ends up being 5/3. Similarly, E of y squared would be summation of y squared fy, and that's 0 times 6 over 21 plus, so basically these numbers will be squared now. 0 squared times 6 over 21, 1 squared is 1, 1 squared times 5 over 21, then 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and so on. And that ends up being 5. And so variance of y is E of y squared minus EY whole square. And that's 5 minus 5/3 square. And that's 2.22. That was choice B.